Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about rational numbers. It is a revision. A number is called rational if it can be expressed in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is greater than 0. For example, 1 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 7, 6 by 5, 2 by 8, and include what it is. It has written above. It is written above. Include all natural, whole number, and integers. Natural numbers starting from 1 to infinity, whole number starting from 0 to infinity, and integers they contain both positive as well as negative numbers. Here it is diagram is shown. What diagram is depicting, it is saying that rational number consists of integers, that is positive as well as negative numbers, whole numbers starting from 0, and natural numbers 1. Natural numbers, as I said, starting from 1 to infinity, also known as counting numbers. All the natural number including 0 are called whole numbers, means when we add 0 to the natural number, that becomes whole number. And this is about closure property. Whole numbers operation under addition, p and p plus q will always be the whole number. If we have two numbers and we do the operation on them, addition operation on them, so there on addition there will be a rational number. P minus q will not always be a whole number. pq will also be the whole number. P plus q will also be the whole number. Example, 6 plus 0 is called 0, 8 minus 10 is called minus 2, 3 multiply 5 is called 15. Closed or not closed. So rational numbers are closed under addition, not closed under subtraction, and closed under multiplication. In the same way, rational numbers are closed in case of integers, closed in case of addition, closed in case of subtraction, and closed in case of multiplication. And rational numbers are closed in case of addition, rational numbers are closed in case of subtraction, and rational numbers are closed under multiplication. It was just talking about integers and whole numbers. In the same way, we have commutative property, then associative property. The role of 0 is the additive identity for the whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Whole numbers means whenever we are going to add 0 to any number, we are going to get the same number to which we have added 0. For example, a plus 0, we are going to get a. So 0 is additive identity. The role of 1 in numbers, one digit is multiplicative identity, getting the same. A multiply 1 is equal to a. Negative of a number, that is additive inverse. When you change the sign of rational number, it becomes additive inverse from positive to negative. Reciprocal multiplicative inverse, you have to reciprocal it. Change denominator and keep denominator at place of numerator. And rest you know that this is also representation of rational numbers on the number line. You know the how when if in case of we have done a shortcut to do this effectively. In case of proper fraction, there is a rational number which resembles to a proper fraction, while numerator is less than denominator, then that number lies between 0 and 1. In case of mixed fraction, we have to take whole number as the beginning, and then we have to proceed as rational. We have proceeded in rational in proper fraction.